Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Now, first this evening, the government shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to our road network Spark program has become the subject of a political tug-of-war.
Now, first, the opposition People's National Party, PNP, described the program as a, quote, con. But now the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, is hitting back.
More in this report from Andrea Chisholm.
This is a clip being circulated of the PNP's Peter Bunting at a divisional conference in Junction St. Elizabeth on Sunday, June 16, speaking about the $40 billion Spark program.
Con business. Me a prophesy says that Chinese company get a contract. Me a prophesy said that is the financing for the Labour Party in your upcoming election. You will not get any value for money on the roads in the communities with bad roads. The farmers will not get any improvement. You mark my words, the GLP are going to yam out most of that money for corrupt ends. The people not getting any benefit from that.
Sometimes, when you hear people talk and accuse, is them conscience or bother them, Yes. Because that is what they did when they were the government. If we are going to do a program like the Spark program, it must be transparent. Yes. It must be cost effective. Yes. And it must ultimately stand up to public scrutiny by virtue of the accounting for the program, but for the quality of work that you get as well.
The Prime Minister, who was speaking at a recent JLP meeting in Exchange St. Anne, went on to explain that the Spark program is different. He said the program is being funded through the budget, residents are being consulted on which roads to be fixed, and the contract process is competitive.
Meaning that there will be not any predetermined cut out of the contract for the contractors. No, what will happen now is that the contractors, and it won't be one, it will be four, they will have to compete. So nobody taking up a contract and hand it over to anybody. No, it will be a competitive contract. So the best rates will be had for the people of Jamaica.
The government announced earlier this month that no local company was selected for the pre-qualification phase of Spark. After proposals are evaluated, contracts are expected to be awarded by the end of September. Until then, this parting shot from the Prime Minister.
When you hear the evil one come on, you tell him, get behind these Satan. Because all they want to do is to get power for themselves.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.